Hello friends, I'm Shamila. Now we can discuss about the factors affecting sludge digestion. There are 5 important factors: temperature, sludge seeding, mixing, pH value, and miscellaneous conditions. First of all, temperature. Actually, the sludge digestion is greatly influenced by temperature at which it takes place. There are two distinct temperature zones in sludge digestion, that are zone of thermophilic digestion, zone of mesophilic digestion. Here you can see a graph. That graph shows the effect of temperature on the digestion period. In zone of thermophilic digestion, thermophilic organisms are more active and it ranges from 35 to 60 degrees Celsius. The optimum temperature is about 54 degree. The digestion period can be brought down to about 7 to 10 days only. In zone of mesophilic digestion, mesophilic organisms are active and 26 to 35 degrees Celsius is the temperature. The optimum temperature in this zone is about 29 degrees Celsius, and at this temperature the digestion period can be brought down to about 30 days only. The higher the temperature, lower the period of digestion. The production of gas is also more at high temperature. Actually, mesophilic digestion is preferred to thermophilic digestion. Then the second point, sludge seeding. Process of introducing fresh sludge into previously well digested sludge is known as sludge seeding. It should be done in such a way that alkaline condition may prevail the tank. Usually 2.5 to 3.5% by weight of fresh dry solids in dry digested sludge could be added per day so as to maintain the pH value about 7. The lime can add to attain the desired pH value. Proper seeding of sludge develops favorable conditions for microorganisms and digestion of sludge takes place in a short period. Then the third point is mixing. Incoming fresh raw sludge should be thoroughly mixed with digested sludge by some effective method of mechanical agitation. The proper stirring results in even distribution of the incoming sludge, maintenance of uniform temperature in tank, reduction of scum, and increase in the production of gas. The fourth point is pH value. The desired pH value is 6.8 to 7.2. For to maintain the pH value in this range, we can make some remedies, that is adding of lime or introducing the required quantity of raw sludge or controlling the removal of digested sludge. The last point is miscellaneous conditions. Quality of public water supply, presence of copper, fluoride, radioactive substances also will affect the sludge digestion process. Thank you.